In this video, I will show you how to change your sending from country in Remitly. So to do this, first just go and open up Remitly, it can be the app or the website. And now I will first just show you what my country is set to currently. So if I click send, you can see that right here at the top, it is the United States and the US dollar. To change this, just click manage in the bottom right and here click profile. Then scroll down a bit and then here you will see sending from. Now here just click on edit, and then for me now again it's the United States, but if I click on it I can now just set it to any of the available countries. For example, if I set it to New Zealand and then click save, my country will now be set to New Zealand. If I go to send, you should see that now it's the New Zealand dollar. So now you know how to change your sending from country in Remitly. Now, if this didn't work for you, you can also just go in and sign out of your account and create a new one. And in that new account, set your country to the country you want to have it be. So now you know how to change the sending from country in Remitly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.